Hello everybody, I'm Benjamin Pauly, the Master Gardener at the Woodstock Inn Resort, and today we're in the office, and you're wondering, Ben, why are you in the office in April and it's raining outside? So I thought it'd be a good opportunity to show you how I organize seeds and just to give a few tips for those who are thinking about starting a garden this year. So we have quite a few varieties in the garden. There's probably about over 250 varieties of vegetables that we grow, and what I do in the spring is I order all my seeds and then I look on the packets and figure out when I have to start them and use kind of experience from years before and figure out when I should start them. So I have a countdown back from June 1st, which is a very safe bet for the last frost date in Vermont. Usually it's mid-May. But I start June 1st and then I work backwards, and so this week coming up, April 13th, we are 7 weeks back, and so I'll take out the pack and I have all these seed packets ready to go, and I write on there how many I need to plant and what size container I need to plant it in. And I get a lot of different seeds from a lot of different companies, but if you're looking for vegetable seeds, 3 companies I really can recommend are Johnny's and Fedco. They're both Maine companies, very great. And then High Mowing is a Vermont company, all organic, 3 great companies. And it looks like this week I'll be starting cabbages. We've got Mexican sour gherkins, cosmos, and quite a few other things. So looking forward to a great spring.